Welcome in the kitchen, everyone. I'm so glad you're here and you decided to stop by. I'm going to show y'all how to make the most wonderful, juiciest, tender Easter ham ever. And it's all because we're going to cook it slow in this slow cooker right here. Um, this is what I've got right here. Just a spiral sliced ham. Mine is boneless. You can get one with the bone in it. That's all up to you. This one was $2.98 a pound, which is not bad for meat these days, y'all. Meat it's just outrageous. Beef especially. I just don't know how people are going to afford to eat. So we eat a lot of chicken and pork because it's the cheapest. But I'm going to read these instructions to y'all that are on the back of this. It says heat oven to 275 degrees. That is a very cool oven, you all. Remove all the packaging, place it in a roasting pan, flat side down, and cover tightly with aluminum foil. Bake 15 minutes per pound until heated through. Do not overheat. How easy is that? And it's got a glazed packet with it. I don't know if I'll use that or not. I probably will not. Because I want to use some of this ham in some other recipes that I don't really want that sweetness of that glaze on. Okay? So instead of putting it in a roasting pan, I'm going to put it in this slow cooker. If I can get it open, it's really wrapped up, y'all. Oh, here we go. Y'all, it's got some juices in there, and I like to leave all my juices. Okay? Take the lid off this. I'm going to turn this on. I'm going to turn it down to low because we don't want it to get real hot. Hit the start button. And then this is the way I open mine. I put it all down in there. It's completely wrapped in that plastic. But this has already got some glaze on it. And then I'm going to take my knife and open it up while it's in this slow cooker. And let all those juices come out. Get a hold of that. And then I'll bring y'all over here and show you the juice in the bottom of it here in just a minute. Let me wrestle with this ham. I need to cut it a little bit more. Alrighty. Put this over here in the trash. Rinse off my hands because that is sticky. Get our mess cleaned up. Alright. Now then, I'm going to take me a fork and flip this thing over. There we go. I want y'all to see this juice. Do y'all see that juice down in the bottom? That will just cook right back up into that. And I'm going to let this sit here and cook. About 3 o'clock now. We'll eat about 6:30. And it'll be perfect. And then what is left, some of it I'll dice up. I want to make a ham pot pie. So some of it I'll use that way. I'll make a ham casserole. We'll eat some of it for sandwiches. I'll fix some of it to put on pizzas. You know, there's lots of things you can do with a ham. So that's all y'all have to do. I'll bring you back when we get ready to eat supper and show you how lovely it is and how wonderful it tastes. Okay, so I'll see y'all back here in a few hours. All right, here's our ham. I'm telling y'all, I've already been sampling it. It is so good. Got us a platter right here. And I'm going to pick this up. Let's see if I can get it with these tongs. I probably can't. I'll probably end up dropping it and splatting juice everywhere. Yeah, I can't get it with that. Let me try these 2 spoons right here. Well, that's not going to work either, y'all. Try post fork. Well, thought that might work. There we go. See all that juice dripping off the bottom of it? I'm telling you, this is the juice. Look at that broth down in there. See all that broth? I'm going to get this microphone. All right, now y'all can see the broth. See all that yummy broth? And this one is already sliced. So I think all I need to do is slice it right down the middle. Let me grab my big knife over here. All right. Let's see. I'm just going to slice right down the center. Because I think that's the way. Yep, there we go. Got all these little slices over here. Y'all can't see squat because y'all on the other side. All right, here, let me move y'all around here so you can see. Now, can y'all see this ham right here? Can y'all see it? Let me get everything out of the way. All right, can y'all see that? Look at that. Delicious. Delicious. Now I'm going to turn it this way. And I'm just going to go down through each one of those slices and finish slicing it all the way through the middle. You've got beautiful slices this way. I'm telling y'all, Easter Sunday, get up, get ready for church. Throw this thing in your slow cooker. When you come home, get everything else ready. Your ham is perfect. You don't need to do another thing to it. We're going to have this with some bacon cheddar ranch twice baked potatoes, which mine are baked and then baked again. I guess that's twice baked, but they're not your normal twice baked potatoes. Okay, look at this. There's my little bite. I'm going to eat that. Look at that beautiful ham. Look at that beautiful ham, and it is oh so moist, you all. Oh so moist. It's not dry at all. All right, like I said, make you a ham for Easter and then use it for everything else. So I'm going to remind you all, like, share, subscribe, comment, ring the bell for notifications so you don't miss a video. And that'll be all for this one. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye for now.